Hi guys, hello and welcome. I am glad to have you here. I am Digital Mama, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online. Everything making money online, that's what we do here. So if this looks like what you want, what you like, kindly click on the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for supporting this channel. So in today's video, I am going to be teaching you how to make money selling coloring books on Amazon KDP. So before we get right into the video, let's just take a quick survey and see what a coloring book looks like and how well it is actually selling on Amazon. So come to amazon.com and search for adult coloring book. So, and this is what we have right here on Amazon. Are you seeing this? So the first set of books that are here, you're seeing this coloring book for adults, enchanted coloring book, tattoo coloring book, mindfulness coloring book. Okay, let's take a look at how well they are saying. Look at this. This person has sold 6,932 books so far. Are you seeing that? And they're selling it for $5. Just calculate it. I know you're thinking what I'm thinking, right? Yes. So some of those books, this coloring books are actually difficult to create if you are not a professional graphics designer using one of the most interesting tool, which is like Figma or Photoshop or AI Illustrator. So but today I am going to be showing you how you can generate all these coloring book interiors with AI. Yeah, I'm going to teach you everything using bots, from ChatGPT to Canva and to our last website, which is a top secret. Don't worry, watch this video to the end. I am going to teach you every single thing you need to know. So the first thing we want to do is to go to ChatGPT to get our prompts for a coloring book. Alright guys, this is ChatGPT. If you don't have account with ChatGPT, it's very easy to register. Just go to Google and type chat.openai.com and sign up. It's just a normal sign up on any website, and you're going to have this interface. So what we want is actually a coloring book idea for Amazon. So we are going to ask the AI to give us coloring book ideas for Amazon. So let's say give me 10 coloring book idea for Amazon KDP. We can niche it down and put adult coloring book. So we have it. Give me 10 adult coloring book ideas for Amazon KDP. So let's click enter and see what this AI will generate for us. All right, as you can see, the AI is done generating this particular prompt for us. You're seeing this. The first one is mandalas, a collection of intricate mandalas for mindfulness and relaxation. Number two is a animal collection of realistic and stylized animal illustrations to color. I think I like this number two. Okay, let's read more. This number five, fantasy, a collection of fantasy themed illustration such as dragons, icons, and mythical creatures. Okay, whichever I'm choosing from here, the next thing I'm just going to do is come back to our AI, then type something like this. Give me 20 pages for coloring book relating to, that is number 9 of the above. Let's say number 5 of the above. So give me 20 pages for coloring book relating to, that's number 5 above. So let's see what it will give us. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing all these page ideas that ChatGPT is giving us? So the next thing we are going to do now is to generate these images, but we are going to be using an AI called Leonard Leonardo.ai. So on this AI, you're going to see beautiful images that this AI has generated. Are you seeing all this? Are you seeing all these beautiful images? They were all generated by this AI. Yes. So we are going to be generating something unique with this AI. Although what we want is something that is going to be plain, that we can use for our coloring book, but you are seeing all these beautiful things that this AI can do, right? So the next thing we want to do is, when you come to Leonardo.ai, it is not completely free actually. Are you seeing this? Look at this. Look at this particular image here. You can see this is a coloring book. This is a coloring book for adults. So this can be your idea depending on what you want. Do you get it? So this AI will generate something like this for us, and it's going to make our coloring book meaningful and beautiful. So as I was saying, Leonardo.ai is not entirely free, but you have access to 150 points every 24 hours. What do I mean? Look at where my cursor is right here. This 150 points right here means that you can generate images. For every image you generate, I think they will remove 4 points from here. So once you have exhausted the whole 150 points, you will need to wait till the next 24 hours before you can generate more images. Do you get that now? So once you have gotten that, we are now going to start creating. So once you're on the site, just come here to AI image generation, click on it. Then I'm going to start putting my prompts here, and this AI is going to generate it for us. So just for you to be a little bit familiar with the platform, this side here is the where you set the number of images you want. If you want it to generate 3 at a time, if you want it to generate 4 at a time, if you want it to generate 2 at a time, but I would advise you just keep it at 2 so that you'll be able to maximize your points. Then I think these are some of the images I have generated with this AI. Are you seeing this? Yeah, this is beautiful. So this is what we're going to be doing right now. These are some of the images I've generated earlier with this AI. So what are we going to do now? We're going to be working with ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. So let's bring it side by side. So the first thing we need right now is to copy our first topic here. A dragon breeding with a fire castle. So just copy it, go to Leonardo.ai. Then I have some prompts here. So I'm just going to edit my prompts that I have here. A dragon breathing fire with a castle in the background. Coloring pages for adults this time around. So these are my prompts, and once I'm done putting my prompts in, I'm just going to come here and click on generate. So then we'll wait for it to generate because it is going to be loading right here. Let's scroll down so you can see. Are you seeing this? So it's loading right now. All right guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Yes, it is done loading. The next thing we want to do is to upscale this image. Come here, click on upscale so it can be more fine. So the next thing you want to do is, after upscaling, you download it. Click on this download button here and it will load in a new page entirely. Once it's loaded in a new page, next thing you want to do is to save it. So you click on save. The next thing after this is that just keep generating images on all the topics we have generated from ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT now. So you can see all our topics we have generated, the first one. So the next thing is the second one. So we'll copy the topic of the second one, then we'll take it to the Leonardo AI, then we'll replace it with the first prompts. So change this prompt here and replace it with the next page. So the next one we'll need is a unicorn, then click on generate. So once we are done, that's all. Just continue copying the topics and going back to the AI and generate it. As you can see, I've generated a lot for this video, so I'm going to continue right now. So you go to canva.com. So once you're in canva.com, just click on create a design, then you come down, click on custom size, then you're going to change the size. If it's on pixel, before change it to inches, then we're going to pick a size for our coloring book, which is 8.5 by 11. Once you are done, click on create a new image. So once we are here, we have a blank page. For this place, we want to create our this book belongs to. That's where the person that owns this book will write their name. So come to text, click on text, then you bring in a text that you like. Most it should be a heading, so you put this book belongs to. So next thing is to resize it and position it. Are you seeing that now? All right, so position it well the way you like it. So the next thing is to bring in the line. Just position it well, that's all. Then you bring in the line that they will write their name in. So you come to elements, then you pick a square. The next thing you want to do is to bring in a border. So bring in the border. After that, you are going to change the color to transparent. So you click on color and click on no color. So just resize it. Just resizing it this way. Okay. I think this is perfect now. The next thing is just to duplicate it. I want it to be 2. Duplicate and position it. So once we are done doing this, I just want to bring in a one small image here to make it look more finer. So I'm going to go to upload right now. I have an image there I want to use. So this particular unicorn, I'll use it. Then I'm going to resize it, make it smaller and drag it down. Are you seeing this? So this is our this book belongs to page. Are you getting it now? All right, so the next thing we want to do right now is to start bringing our pages. So 2, 3, 4, just continue duplicating it until we have the number of pages we need. Right now we have 11 pages. So as not to take it too long, just click on grid view, highlight it, then you copy and paste. Once you are done that, copy and paste, you can see we now have 21. So close the grid view and go back to the normal view. Right now we have 21 pages plus this book belongs to page. So that's that about that. The next thing we want to do is now to start bringing in our image, the one the AI generated for us. So click on upload file, then you select your images and bring it in. Just click on that, select your image, bring it in. I'll bring in most of my images, so I don't want this video to be too long. So just click on it and drag it to the first page. Are you seeing this right now? So just size it, try to position it. Are you seeing that? Okay, this is perfect. So the next thing is that the next page has to be empty, so we'll move to the fourth page instead. So the fourth page, we have dragged another image, reposition it. Reason why this space has to be blank is because of the bleed. When they are painting from the first page, so it will not affect the next page. The paint can bleed to the next page, so I'll always leave a space in between. So, and that's that for that. All you need to do is to continue bringing in your image and you're going to be done. I am sure you have gotten value from this video, kindly click on the subscribe button, like this video. The next thing is to save this. So you come up here, click on share, then you scroll down and click on download, then you save this as a PDF print. Yes, PDF print, then you download. So that is that about generating your images with AI for your coloring book. I am sure you have gotten a lot of values with this. Go and do this, practice, and I'll see you at the top. Thank you.